How to invite someone on the MEXC app. Let's go ahead and start the video. To invite someone on MEXC, first of all open MEXC on your device, then go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you do that, you can see the option of referral. Go ahead and tap on referral and click on invite friend. Once you do that, what you can see is this option where you can easily get commissions and bonuses by inviting friends. So once your friend gets invited from the link, they open up the link and they install the app, you can easily get commissions. So go ahead and tap on invite friends. You can either send them this option of screenshot, or you can just go ahead and tap on save poster or click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you can send them your referral link, you can invite them, and you can earn bonuses. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.